Trains used to run here, but not anymore. Industry-wide, but that was before. Ships stopped coming and the factories closed. Bootleggers thrived, crime rose. It was Corkscrew City until it shut down. Whiskey flowed freely all over this town, and the wheel of fortune went round and round and round down in Corkscrew City. The coal stacked high next to the shore, but the high cost of coal kept everyone poor. They say our best days are over and done. It was a game of chance, nobody won. And it was Corkscrew City until it shut down. Whiskey flowed freely all over this town, and the wheel of fortune went round and round and round down in Corkscrew City. You can see a bald eagle up over the trees, flocks of goldfinches free as you please, but you can't find a job here, you hardly belong.